I want the governor to tell us who was your receiver of revenue in this financial year.
Chair, I feel like we will lose the parking thing. There's an explanation there that they can complete, then we move to the designated receiver of revenue. Because if you look at note 5 that explains the parking fees, the officer who responded, it makes sense when you say once the trailer park was closed, 2022-2023 you had 26 million from the trailer park fees, and it dropped to 3.49 million. Now explain to me how the one for bus park moved from 2 million to 20 million. What special magic did you play? Governor? Did you build new bus parks? Was there a new road that was opened through Busia to I don't know where that more buses were parked? What is the explanation for that? For the reverse growth in revenue?
By how many percent?
Through the chair, I think one of the measures that we took when we took over was to try and identify all the revenue collection points and the number of collection points that we introduced along the ways that initially we were not collecting. That's what enabled us to be able to...
Are you looking at the numbers that Senator Sifuna cited? Are you looking at that note?
Note 5.
So that you know what you're responding to? We don't want theories. This is an exercise that is guided by evidence.
Yeah, because to me, Chair, the explanation on ceding the collection of the trailer parks to KRA would demonstrate or explain why it moves from 26 million to 3 million. Now, with the same logic, what did you do to move your bus park from 2 million to 20 million?
That's 18 million.
What is the explanation?
Thank you, Chair. When we came in, you can see overall, the revenue from 22-23 to 23-24 improved. So what happened, that revenue, it was on an improved basis. We combined the parking, the bus parking, with the small car, the single vehicle parking. We combined them together, and there is when the auditors came, they corrected us that we should separate those two revenue streams. So we separated, but by then we just improved it, combined with the car parking that improved that from the previous one. And that is the reason why overall the revenue increased.
Yeah. Senator Wambua, you have totally lost me.
Chair. Yeah.
No, that one will deal with that. That one will come. Senator Wambua.
Chair, I don't know about Senator Sifuna, but I feel that question has been responded to because